Welcome to another video from the farm. Today I'm going to show you how to trap little fruit flies with just two things. Now this couldn't be simpler really. All you're going to need is a little tub with a lid or even a plastic bottle. And you just want to get yourself any beer really. This is just a Coors Lager. Any beer will do. Then crack your beer. Fill her up about halfway. Whatever vessel you're using, about halfway. Obviously I've just put quite a lot of foam in there, so pour it a bit more gentle than me. Now, once you've got your beer in there, you're going to want to put a few little holes in, whatever your lid is. So this is just a little 500ml tub, so I put 6 or 7 holes in. If you're using a plastic bottle, just put a few holes around the top. Not too big, big enough for the flies to crawl through. Much more difficult for them to get out. Yeah, simply close it up. Go place this wherever you're getting your fruit flies build up. Now with us farming insects here now, we've been getting brewers grains from local breweries, so they're bringing in quite a few fruit flies. So I'm going to place this near one of the totes. We'll see how many we get tomorrow. So the next day, as you can see, we've got about 40 or so fruit flies in there already, and that's been about 12 hours, well 14 hours say. That's just overnight pretty much. So I'll pop the little lid back on and go set it back up again. So, beer fly trap, effective. Going to catch yourself all your fruit flies, all your little annoying little flies that eat anything that's a little bit sweet smelling, I guess, when it starts to rot. Now, as I mentioned, you don't need to use a little tub like that. You can use anything really. You can use sort of an open can of beer, etc. But if you don't have the small little holes, the chances are once they go into the trap, they'll just fly back out again. So, run over it then. A little tub. Little bottle, some small holes, mil or two wide, big enough that the fruit flies, little flies can crawl in there, but it's hard for them to find the hole to get back out. And you're going to need some sort of old beer, old wine, anything like that really. Anything that's a bit alcoholic will work nicely. Cider will work, anything like that really. And yeah, like I've shown, if you just leave it sat out, they'll go straight in there and eventually drown and die, getting rid of them for you. So I hope this little video has helped, because I've done another couple of videos on fly traps, and yeah, I get comments on there fairly regularly. Does it work for fruit flies? But the one that I did previously didn't. This one, however, perfect for them. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video and it's useful to you. If you did, don't forget to give the video a like below. Until next time then, bye bye.